Best practice of link building. Since link building is a key part of SEO, it is important to follow the best practices to avoid penalties from search engines. If you don't, your website could be removed from search engine result pages. Here are some best practices to keep in mind. Point number 1, quality over quantity. Focus on getting high quality backlinks from authoritative and relevant websites rather than a large number of low quality links. Point number 2, natural link building. So aim for a diverse range of links, including various anchor texts, to avoid appearing manipulative to search engines. Point number 3, relevance. Ensure that the site linking to you are relevant to your industry or niches. Irrelevant links can be less effective or even harmful. Point number 4, ethical practices. Avoid black hat SEO techniques such as buying links or using link farms. This can lead to penalties from search engines. Point number 5, consistent effort. Link building should be an ongoing effort rather than a one-time task. Continuously seek out new opportunities to earn links.